Hello, kindergarten. We're going to do some more sight word practice today. Today we're going to be working with the sight word A. So I need you to get this page out of your packet and get your name on the top. And really the only thing you're going to need for this is your pencil, but mostly we're just going to be using our eyes to do some reading, okay? I'll give you just a minute to get this ready. And then I want you to draw a circle around this room this word right up here on this robot. What is that word? It's also a letter. A. That word is A. We have 6 sentences here. We're going to read these sentences together. Then we're going to find the word A in each sentence, and then we're going to find the picture that matches this sentence. So all of these sentences say I see A, and then there's an animal word. So we're going to be looking at those words and seeing if we can figure out which animal goes with each sentence. And we're going to draw a line from the star beside the sentence to the star beside the animal that matches. So let's do number 1 first. Let's read this together. I see a cat. I see a cat. First thing I want you to do is find the word A in that sentence and circle it. See if we can see it. There it is. I see a cat. So let's see if we can find the cat. There he is. So I'm going to draw a line from the star beside the sentence to the star beside the cat. Let's read that sentence one more time. I see a cat. Let's look at number 2. Let's read it together. I see a dog. I see a dog. See if you can find the word A in that sentence and circle it. I'll give you just a minute to do it, and then I'll do it and you can check. The word A is right there. And we're going to find the picture of the dog. I want you to see if you can find the picture of the dog and draw a line from this star to the picture of the dog. Let's see if you got it right. I see a dog right there. Let's read that sentence one more time. I see a dog. All right, let's come down to sentence number 3. Let's read it together. I see a pig. I see a pig. Find the word A in that sentence and circle it. It's right there. And then see if you can find the pig and draw a line from this star beside the sentence to the star beside the pig. I'll give you a minute to do it and then I'll show you and you can check. I think the pig is right there. Let's read sentence number 4. I see a cow. I see a cow. Find the word A in that sentence and circle it. It's right there. And then you're going to draw a line to the cow. So put your pencil here and see if you can find the cow. I think it's right there. Let's read that sentence one more time. I see a cow. Number 5. I see a bird. Let's read that together. I see a bird. See if you can find the word A in that sentence and circle it. There it is. We're going to draw a line from the star. I think the bird is up here. We've got one last sentence, number 6. We only have one picture left. Let's see if it can help us figure out that last word. I see a chicken. Let's read it again. I see a chicken. Let's circle the word A, and then we're going to draw a line to that chicken. Okay, I want you to go back on your own, and I want you to read each of these sentences again to yourself, and then you can go back and you can color the animal pictures. Practice with that sight word A. Remember to use your finger to touch under each word as you read it. Good luck!